Hi, today is September 5th. And what is the speciality of the day? Yes, my dear students and parents and friends, today is the Teachers Day. ಯಾಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? Yes, today is the birthday of ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಅವರು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಉಪರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಅವರು. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಎರಡನೇ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಎಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಉತ್ತಮ ವಾಗ್ಮಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರು ಅವರಂತಾಗಬೇಕೆಂಬಂಥ ಆಶಯದಿಂದ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂದಿಗ್ಧ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ತಾವೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. Through the online classes, all the teachers have visited the students' houses and then they teach through the technology. And then the children say, ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಡೇ. ನಾವು ಅವರ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆಲವರು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದಂತೆಯೇ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, our teachers were today surprised to see some students coming to the school and performing a wonderful program to give their respect to the teachers and to show their gratitude for the wonderful things that our teachers do to their children. Yes, come, let's watch what these kids are up to and how do they show their gratitude to their teachers. Yes, it's time now to watch the program hosted by few students of our school in honor of our teachers.
Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is a great teacher and has been second President of India. So I request our fathers and teachers, students and guests to offering a flower to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. It was said, teachers are greater than the parents.
My name is Nidhi Nayak. I am a student studying in grade 5th. I want to share my thought on Teachers' Day. Teachers are considered the second parent of our life. We celebrate these days to appreciate our teachers for their continuous, precious and selfless efforts in shaping our future. Good morning, our respected chairman, Father Jerome, and our principal, Father Nelson. Today we are celebrating this on Teachers' Day on 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers are like a magician who use that magic word. Teachers are gift of God who make our career. ಮಿಸ್ಸು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಸ್ಸು, ನಗ್ತಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು. ಜಾಣ ಮರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಾಣ ಮರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆನ್ನೆ ಸವರಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕನ್ನ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಕೆನ್ನೆ ಸವರಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕನ್ನ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಸ್ಸು, ನಗ್ತಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು. ಆಟಕ್ ಬಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಆಟ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಟಕ್ ಬಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಆಟ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಂಗೆ ಆಟದ ಜೊತೆ ಪಾಠನೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಂಗೆ ಆಟದ ಜೊತೆ ಪಾಠನೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಸ್ಸು, ನಗ್ತಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು. ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೈ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೈ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೋತಿ ಕರಡಿ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ನಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೋತಿ ಕರಡಿ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ನಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಸ್ಸು, ನಗ್ತಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ raised us all up whenever we fell down in our life and studies. So now we would like to dedicate this song, You Raise Me Up, for our loving teachers and fathers.
and also the relationship between teacher and students. Here I want to say some few words about my teaching journey. Yes, up to 10 I have studied in Maharashtra in Marathi medium. Then after completing BSc, I got married, and after marriage I came here. I was zero in Kannada, and just I have struggled to learn Kannada, and after completing, and I decided to do BA, to do my teaching career ahead. Teaching is my one of dream, and I am here now doing teaching job. Whatever the stress is there in our home, after coming here I forget all those stress, and I mingle with the students. I feel very much happy with mingling with the students.
Hello, hello teachers, father, brother and all my dear friends. Now I would like to request teachers, father and brother to join with us for this action song.
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand up, you put your right hand in and shake it all the time.
candlelight, you make me life so bright. Every day to new heights. Like a candlelight, you make me life so bright. Every day to new heights. Success is the hard work, you taught me how to be. Greater I may grow, still you will be with me. Success is the hard work, you taught me how to be. Greater I may grow, still you will be with me. Day by day, you watch me how I grow. Step by step, with the knowledge that you sow. Right from wrong, you guide me in your ways. For you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. So happy, 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 happy Teachers Day. So happy, 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 happy Teachers Day. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you on this day. For you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. Thank you.
Wow. Never expected. What a wonderful program by small kids. 4th grade, 5th grade children have come together and then given such a beautiful program. I'm sure our teachers are thrilled. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅದೊಂದು ಅತಿಶಯೋಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಲಾರದು. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮಗರಿವಿಲ್ಲದಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆತ್ತವರ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we are really grateful to these kids who came here and gave this wonderful program and entertained all of us, and especially they have shown their respect and gratitude towards the teachers who teach them, who mold them. Special thanks to all the parents who thought of this wonderful program by training their kids. A big thanks to you all. What next? ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಆಟವಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪಾಠದ ಜೊತೆ ಮನರಂಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರಿಗೇನೆ ಆಟವಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರು ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್.
We begin the real. Assamese will begin. Yes. Come please. Sit down, boy. Come on, come on. Yes, the prize is yours. Okay, come on. Come on, come on. Speak about your favorite teacher. Yeah, yes, your favorite teacher. Your teacher.
Good afternoon, everyone. My favorite teacher is Father Nelson. First time, I don't know how to teach the online class and also video, but Father Nelson guides so many times. Thank you, Father.
This is little comedy, okay? Acting comedy. Now how to do it? Let us see. Yeah. Come on, come on. Act like a monkey, come on. How can you do that? Come on.
You have to jump.
Afterwards, father also will come, okay? Come on, yes.
ಸಾಕು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Yes.
ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
Come, let's come. Next, Rita is coming. You are the only Rita.
ಮಗಂತರ ಮಾಡೋದು
Act like a man.
ಹಾಗೆ
Come on, act like a man. Sing a song for us. Yes.
ನಾವಾಡುವ ನುಡಿಯೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ, ನಾವಿರುವ ತಾನವೇ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ, ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ, ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ.
Now the prizes will be doubled, okay? Prizes will be doubled.
ಬ್ರದರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್
Speak about your favorite teacher.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ.
Not there. I remember there are many teachers in my life who are favorite, but I remember one teacher when I was in 8th standard. He was our physics teacher. His name was Krishna Bhatt. He called me. We had our primary school, primary education in different schools. In the high school, when I went, he was my class teacher. He called me to his table and asked, "What is your name?" And I said, "Nelson." Then he looked at me. "Do you know the famous personality behind your name?" I said, I didn't know much then. Then he told me about Nelson Mandela. And then he said, he is a great leader and you should be a great leader in whatever you do, wherever you go. And that word I picked up from that day itself. Wherever I am there, I should be a leader. Means not to get the position or kind of status, but to do, to guide somebody, to walk the way and to lead. So he is my inspiration throughout my life. Thank you.
Yes. मजा दे रे. बने. Shashika madam, Manju madam, bane. The sister also. The previous principal will come.
रबर जैकेट
Come on. Okay. Now teachers, here is the mark and you will stay here and with one toss you will put it inside. Come on! Last
Few students came to the school and gave this wonderful program, but all wanted to come, but they could not. ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Myself, Huda Fatima, grade 2, Mount Carmel School, Vidyanagar, Shimoga. Respected principal, beloved teachers and my dear friends, good morning. As we all know, today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September in the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan, philosopher, teacher, and India's second president. Teachers are the building blocks of the nation. Teaching profession is all profession. Nowadays, due to corona disease, schools are closed, but our teachers engage encouraging every child. मेरा शुमार भी पत्थरों में था, मेरा शुमार भी पत्थरों में था, लेकिन मेरे टीचर ने मुझे तराश कर हीरा बना दिया. They conduct online classes to all students. They conduct competitions. Our teachers and best teachers, and our school is best school. They are very polite and encouraging. I thank each and every teachers of my school. टीचर कभी बादशाह नहीं होता, टीचर कभी बादशाह नहीं होता, लेकिन अपने शिष्यों को बादशाह बनाता है. थैंक यू टीचर्स.
Yes, Mr. Khan. I am in grade 2. I will say good morning to my principal and my all teachers. We celebrate September 5 and Teachers' Day. Tai Salva Parli Radha Krishnan is born on September 5, 1888. We celebrate this day to honor him and remember importance teachers in our life and online classes. It will help us to build our future. Teacher is the second parent of a child. If no teachers, no doctors, no lawyers, no anyone. Everyone loves teachers. Mwah! I am proud. I am a student of Mount Carmel School. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, beloved teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Ninad Devanga. I am studying in class 2. My school name is Mount Carmel School, located at Vijayanagar, Shivamogga. Today I am here to give a tribute to my favorite teachers. Teachers are our second parents. They not only look after us but also seed knowledge and good values in us. There are many teachers in our school. With all my heart, I respect and like them equally. Among them, I love to talk few words about my class teacher, Miss Rajina ma'am. She teaches English, mathematics and DVS to us. Her method of teaching is very simple. She always tries her level best to help her students. When it comes to our online classes, she makes us to feel like it is our physical class. And teachers are teaching good quality of teaching in online classes. Even I am enjoying online classes with every teacher. To all my dear teachers, thank you for helping me bloom and grow. Happy Teachers Day!
ಹೆಸರು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಚಿಕ್ವೇರ. ನಾನು ಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ವಾತಾವರಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾದರ್ಸು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸ್ಕೂಲೇ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಐ ಲವ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. I am Anvita Nayak, first grade, Mount Carmel School. Wish you all happy Teachers Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. On this special day, I pay a hearty respect to all my teachers. Teachers make our future bright, give us knowledge, and help us to achieve our dreams. On this special day, I would like to say a big big thank you to all my teachers. Thank you once again.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಪಿ. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನದಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದುದು. ಈ ಕರೋನಾ ಅನ್ನುವ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗದೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ತರಗತಿ ಕೇಳುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕರೋನಾ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಧರಿಸಿ ಅಂತರವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕರೋನಾ ಓಡಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day 5th September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was a second president of India. He was an ideal teacher and great scholar. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers Day celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and excellent teacher. Every teacher is a reflection of his her student. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. I am Mohammad Arfat. Today I am in speech few words about my teacher is second parent. Teaching is good. Mount Carmel School. Pavitra Ma'am is good. Nelson Father Principal.
I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It was the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers Day is best way for students to express love and express respect for their teachers. Every teacher is a reflection of his or her students. Teachers are backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advice. Thank you.
ಕೇವಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್, especially during these pandemic times, to record the videos and send it to us, and then to conduct the online classes, and we understand their struggles, they say, and then they want to wish our teachers, and here are some of our wonderful parents.
Hello everyone. My name is Santosh D'Souza and I work as a Senior Business Development Director for a company in Dubai.
I'm Mrs. Kirti D'Souza, working as professor in Subaya Nursing College, Shimoga.
And we are proud parents of Kishon D'Souza and Kishel D'Souza who are studying in grade 1. There is a quote regarding education. A good education is a foundation for better future, is said by Elizabeth Warren. For us parents, kids' education is always special and important.
Our kids were in UKG when the pandemic hit, and we were really worried about their education and studies.
But thankfully, thanks to this school, they started with the online classes and they run the classes on TeachMeet app, and now they're shifting to Google Suite. Not only that, they were sending daily created professionally videos which have been provided by with the daily textbook contents. Also, they sent us recorded videos to support the students. There was a lot of one-to-one attention was given to the students for the completion of the homework. Teachers do have a very good command over their subject.
Apart from the curricular activities, the craft videos which was sent every Saturdays helped the children to learn many things from it. They also conducted various competitions like singing competition, fancy dress competition, speech competition, greeting card competition, which engaged the children very well.
The management and the teachers of the whole institutes are quite good. The teachers and the management take the feedback quite seriously, and they have implemented a lot of stuff which is given feedback by the parents. Thanks to the management, especially to Father Nelson. They are also investing huge on infrastructure for creating new building as well as great facilities. They are also investing a lot on technology, providing laptops to the teachers, and all this for a quite nominal fee comparing to other educational institutes.
So on this beautiful day, we are very thankful to all the teachers, and we wish Principal Father Nelson a very happy Teachers' Day.
And we also wish the non-teaching as well as administrative staff a happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to you all.
Hello, myself Reshma Francis. Being a teacher is really a very proud feeling. Today we are celebrating a Teachers' Day, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, an Indian great philosopher and the second President of India. Teachers' responsibility is not only teaching a concerned subject, but also we should play a role of a guide and a mentor, and we should know about the mental psyche of the students. Second, I want to give you an instance of a great French philosopher says, the role of intellectual is to disturb the authority. This is what we have to follow first, and then we have to teach the students of the future generation. Once again, a happy Teachers' Day to you all. Thank you very much.
Teachers encourage mind to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. I would like to thank Mount Carmel school teachers for doing a commendable job and giving their supports to parents and giving a new reasons to the students to wake up every day and look up to their work, their routine, and helping them to keep up the pace in their hard times. Once again, I thank you all and I wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
Dear fathers and teachers, greeting for the day. My name is Smita. I am the parent of Janika and Nishmi. I would like to thank fathers for the support to all teachers and parents. Thank you so much for your fabulous job. Teachers, we are fully satisfied of your teachings by online and offline classes. We are so happy for the videos what you are editing and sending to our children. Teachers, you are a guiding stars, and I thank you today for all the guidance and educations what you are showering upon our children. Thank you so much for everything. Happy Teachers' Day to all teachers.
Hello everybody, myself Dr. Anupama, and my kid Lekit BM is studying in first standard. Actually, I've been given an opportunity today to speak a few words regarding the school and the teachers, etc. Teachers are doing their very well, up to a level best. They are trying to completely indulge the students in their classes, and actually the teachers are very patient. They respond very well. On spite of the kids doing so much of noise, and some parents, some teachers, some students are not cooperative. On spite of that, the teachers are very cooperative. They are doing their level best, and explanations regarding each and every topic is very clear by the teachers. Even the kids are enjoying their online classes. So even in this tough time, actually to be frank, they are doing their level best to cope up with the situation. We feel free to ask the questions, and even the teachers respond in the same way. They are very cooperative and very elegant also. So
So I'm very happy to share my experience positively regarding the school and the teachers also. Thank you, Ananya.
Hi everyone, this is Smita. My daughter is studying in Mount Carmel School. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I like to thank the principal of Mount Carmel School, Father Nelson, class teacher Sister Pavitra, Girija ma'am and Asha ma'am for being such a good teacher to my kid. As a parent, we all know perfect teachers are very hard to find. But for me, you are the best teacher to my kid. Thank you for your love and care you are giving to my child each day. I truly appreciate you. And I also understand the effort you all put in on online classes these days. It's new actually, and we are in that stage of adapting to this new change. And also, thank you for all your efforts you are putting on my daughter to construct a better future for her. And you teachers write in black and white, but you put colors in students' life. Thank you and wish you happy Teachers' Day to all lovely mentors.
Pleasant morning, one and all. It's my privilege, honor to speak in this wonderful occasion. First, I'd like to wish all the teachers happy Teachers' Day. As we all know that we are celebrating Teachers' Day through online. Let me take this opportunity say thanks to all the teachers, those who are working very hard to teach to students through online. Teachers, they have really surely been the ray of hope, effective in learning new things and coping of teaching through online for the students. It's very difficult and very big challenging for the teachers. But our Mount Carmel teachers, the teachers and principal, they tried their tremendous impacting knowledge. It shows they can adopt any changes for teaching. So we really appreciate the teachers and principal because the way of teaching, and they are controlling the student and they are motivate the students. So I have seen my daughter Anvi, she is enjoying her classes and she is learning good. So then teachers, they are supporting the student throughout and they have to help the students online classes and test. For this, I heartily thanks to all the teachers and once again thanks the giving the opportunity to talk. Thank you very much.
Hello, good morning, respected father and teachers. Myself Sayyada Rahatunisa. I am parent of Sayyad Muhammad Ubaid. Thank you for being my child, second parent, and a fantastic mentor. Happy Teachers Day. Wishing you joy and happiness. You are the amazing teachers and you only deserve the best. Thank you. We appreciate you. Your sacrifice don't go unnoticed. You made this easy to understand. My child wants to learn more about you. You truly cares about your students. You are making a huge impact. I would not be there where I am without you. Once again, thank you to all teachers.
A very good morning, our correspondent Father Jerome, our principal Father Nelson, and my dear sister, brother, teachers. As we all know, September 5th is a special day for teachers. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Teachers' Day serves as a great reminder to appreciate our Mount Carmel School teachers for this service they continue to render to the students and also the community and the whole. All of us know that the teachers laid down the foundation of nation by putting their great effort in uplifting the abilities of the students. And even now, and even during this bumpy ride of COVID-19, the teachers are doing their jobs effectively and efficient. They have not left any stone unturned during this job. From the bottom of my heart, I salute all the teachers for their hard work, regular work, effort and creativity. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank for that you all have done for us. Thank you, teacher. Once again, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. and thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sushma Pinto. I'm a mother of Lisha Pinto who is studying in grade 2nd of Mount Carmel School. I'm very glad to have this opportunity to wish our teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. When this all pandemic situation started, we all are worried and tense about how the schools are running for our children. But I'm really very thankful to Mount Carmel School, and from the core of my heart, I'm thanking our beloved Father Nelson Pinto for doing a great, amazing job and providing online classes to our children. Our children are getting good teachers, teaching staffs of Mount Carmel Society. The online classes are going very well. The teachers' interaction with children are really very good, and teachers are making children a very good bonding between them. Teachers are really working very hard and putting so much effort to send videos to our children. The videos also very easily understanding and very helpful to our children.
Respected principal, all teachers and staff, we are very proud that our child is studying in Mount Carmel School. Our Mount Carmel School is one of the best schools in Shimoga. I like to thank all authorities of Mount Carmel School and the hard working teachers who really trying to build our child's future through their hard work by taking very useful steps in this tough time through online classes. Once again, thank you one and all. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, parents, for your thoughtfulness. You have appreciated us. You have recognized our work. That means a lot. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ನೀಡುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪರಿಣಿತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬೋಧಿಸಲು ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Our children wanted to wish their teachers. Some came here and gave the program, some sent the videos and wished them. But many said, we want to send greeting cards to them. ನಾವೇ ತಯಾರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ಈ ದಿನದಂದು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ತಾವೇ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ ಈ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅಂದ ಚಂದವಾದಂತಹ ವಿವಿಧ ಕಲಾತ್ಮಕ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, time to watch the wonderful, creative greeting cards sent by our students to their dear teachers.
We love you teachers, we love you teachers. lessons for life. Inspire us daily so bright. You really mean a world to us, so much more than the sun that shines. And so we gratefully sing, 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 sing. Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava. We thank you now and always. We thank you in many sure ways. We wish you blessings of life. We wish you 1,000 more times. We are fortunate to be taught by you, to sketch in pens as told by you. And so we gratefully sing, 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 sing. Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava. We love you teachers, we love you teachers, we love you teachers, we love you teachers. You are beautiful, beautiful, you are wonderful, wonderful, you are marvelous all the time. You are beautiful, beautiful, you are wonderful, wonderful, you are marvelous all the time. Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava.
ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆಯ ಕಲಾತ್ಮಕವಾದಂತಹ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಪತ್ರಗಳು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು. ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, we all of us are very happy because everybody participated. ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದಿಂದ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ who have directly and indirectly have contributed towards this program to make this day a beautiful one. Before I end, I want to acknowledge a person who works day and night behind the curtain. ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಶ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ನಮಗೆ ದಿನಾಲು ನೋಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಯಾರು? ನೀವು ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಅದು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂಕಲನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಸು, ವಿಡಿಯೋಸು ಹಾಕಿ ಚಂದವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನೋಡುವಂತೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾರು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ person who voluntarily came forward to edit all the videos of our classes. She has already edited more than 700 videos from last year. And it's not a joke. ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ತಾಸು ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ಬಿಡುವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಚಂದವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರೇ ಸ್ವಂತ ಇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದವರು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿ ಲವ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಶಿ ಲವ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಲವ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ರಿಯಾ ಪಿರೇರಾ. ಅವರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತನ್ನ ಓದಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಡುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ದೂರದ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಹಳ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೇನೂ ಅವರ ಸೇವೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ on behalf of the school, the parents, the teachers and the children, Miss Ria Pereira, for your wonderful services towards our school. You are a special teacher for us all. You work silently behind the curtain and the work of our teachers beautiful and wonderful. You present our teachers with beautiful colors to the students, and thus you are made learning a beautiful experience. Thank you, Ria, for your commitment and the love that you have got for us all. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of our school and the teachers who are in our country. The former President of South Africa, late Nelson Mandela, said, "Education is the best weapon to change the world." And this weapon is in the hands of the teachers, and may they use this weapon to transform the lives of our students and thus to enable to transform the nation. With this a small note, I conclude the day's program. Thank you very much for watching this program.